Welcome back to Solve Zone. The question is 100 divided by 5, 2 plus 3. Most students think like this. They solve the bracket first. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now they think 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Then 100 divided by 25 gives 4. This thinking is wrong. Let's see the correct BODMAS method. BODMAS means B for brackets, O for orders or powers, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. We always solve brackets first, then powers. After that, division and multiplication have equal priority. So we solve them from left to right. Finally, we solve addition and subtraction from left to right. First solve the bracket. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now it becomes 100 divided by 5, times 5. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so solve from left to right. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. Did you get it right? Remember this rule, and you'll never make BODMAS mistakes again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.